Introducing the new Pronto Fiber Optic Mechanical Connector from FIS. This innovative connector requires no epoxy and comes factory pre-polished, featuring a pre-cleaved fiber stub and a proprietary index matching solution. The Pronto is an easy-to-install, low-loss mechanical termination for both single-mode and multi-mode optical fibers. Technicians can utilize proven mechanical splice technology to ensure precise fiber alignment. Each Pronto connector comes with a factory-installed wedge clip that has an innovative continuity window, which allows the use of a visual fault locator to confirm a connection once physical contact is achieved. FIS Pronto connectors are compatible with 250 micron and 900 micron optical fibers, with 2mm and 3mm options available. All primary fiber types are supported, and each connector is color-coded per industry standard requirements. In this video, we will show you how to install the FIS Pronto mechanical connector. Here are the items you will need: FIS Pronto mechanical connector, 900 micron boot, isopropyl alcohol wipes, scrap collector, precision cleaver, tri-hole stripper, visual fault locator, and the strip chart. Take the 900 micron boot and install it onto the cable. Using the strip chart, line up the cable with the jacket you're cleaving. Next, strip the jacket, the acrylic coating, and clean with an isopropyl alcohol wipe. With the precision cleaver, lay the fiber to 10.5mm cleave length and cleave your fiber. Before continuing, connect the visual fault locator to your connector to show continuity while installing. The red light from the visual fault locator can be seen before the fiber is inserted into the fiber groove of the Pronto connector. Push the fiber inside the fiber groove and wedge the clip with a continuity window. The wedge clip keeps the fiber groove open until taken off and the fiber is locked in. Push in the fiber until there's a slight bow in the fiber and the red light diminishes. Disengage the wedge clip to lock the fiber and pull up the 900 micron boot. You have now completed the termination of the FIS Pronto mechanical connector. To purchase the FIS Pronto mechanical connector, go to fiberinstrumentsales.com or contact your FIS representative at 1-800-5000-FIS.